fucking with me. I don't mind. Well then, hello. I was way too zoomed in on you to catch that super cool fake out I'm going to the water vibe. But I appreciate it. Too zoomed in yet again. I knew you were on the hunt for fucking breakfast. Oh shit. What? What? Wait, what? Did they just decoy me? One went that way and made that. Dude. No, y'all did not just do that to me. That's funny. That was pretty funny. I was gonna say that rooster is new, but that was so wild. The zoom. Shit, dude, they don't give a fuck. Those are the woodpeckers. It is, and it's a baby for flip's sake. The other one is right next to me. Is that what you guys do for real? Drop down to the floor. I'm out here. People. I would say it's not often that you see multiple redheads in one tree, but we are. So that might actually be, no, I don't think that is a female at all. I think they're all males. Yeah, I would go live on the YouTubes, but I don't trust it. Incoming. Oh, snap. It's like 4. This is how they do too. They like